Alright, so we're back this afternoon and we're going to be getting back into the metal tech screws. This time we've got the, whatever the fuck this stupid fucking thing is, hammer drill, no. Whatever the fuck it is, that's what we're using, not that torque wrench thing. And then the bit that comes with the packet of screws and I don't like drills in general, they just fucking annoy me. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, and trying to apparently make another hole in the metal in the van door there. Okay, welcome back to the van, and we're going to make some new holes. That is not making a new hole. Maybe over here it might. Okay, right, back with the torque wrench now. So, trying again. There's definitely a place to make another hole right here. Well, fuck me. Maybe that fucking know-all cunt was right after all.